they call an apple. Allah.
New Year, new things. New Year, new things. New Year, new things. New Year, new car. New girls. New girls. 2023 girls. I don't want to new package. Yeah, put DV 2023. Yeah, put DV 2024.
Hey darlings, welcome back to the channel with another video. So guys, I'm going to the mall with my brother-in-law, and here we are expecting some visitors around, and we needed to get one or two things down, and then we go and meet them. It's actually my brother-in-law's kids, yes, so they are coming to visit the girls, so I had to get one or two things for them, and then I'm going to prepare my delicious jollof rice for them as well. So guys, let's go. Okay, we are already here, so let's shop. So thank you no more shame na rubber ni wo mte o ma na cover say e shame nti o de rubber ni same aha nti ube iwe no ye be bia to che and the girls any beche there o can chance enya ayi o we dey di be di here the baby bia ofi ho wa when di aduane no on swim. So guys, we're coming back from the mall and we are picking up our visitors. That is my other brother-in-law's kids, yes. So this is not the one I am working with, no. His elder brother, yeah. So we are picking them up, then we take them to the house, then they are gonna play with the girls. So yeah, that is it guys. I hope you're gonna enjoy this video. Please don't forget to like the video, give me a thumbs up, okay? All right guys, let me leave you guys to enjoy the video.
Yes, I'm trying my best to cut it. I said.
Let's see.
I'm fat. Do good in einem kakao.
Ubun in them.
So good in einem man. Not the
I chuguma.
Yeah, and that's
It's Sunday. It's okay. It's okay. If you want to make it, present some casting and
try to listen.
So going Chinese. I was saying how you had in our back. They are coming crabby about the cafe. I think I hear no. Hey, the cockles and Yakoko. She manemque. Manemque, in Sunimque, and in soon. And none me. You never know I have until the people said, dear.
Yeah, we are dressing.
No, what you tried in a
I had one proud.
I said that you tremble.
Cocker, they get you more.
Then you tremble. I didn't see.
Come on. You know, if you move. Ceramic and you go out.
Yeah, several videos. Now we're trying to be able to try. Yeah, the quadria you.
So fam, I steamed the chicken offline and I started with my sausages and then I'm frying the chicken as well. I didn't show you how I was doing this thing because I had a lot of things to do at the same time, and I even missed some of the clips, so guys bear with me, okay? So yeah, our chicken is cooking. Yeah, so guys, I'm all alone cooking. Like, I have a lot of things to do, so yeah. So I've started with the stew. After frying the sausages and the eggs, I went ahead and added my tolo beef. That is my secret ingredient for my jollof rice. And then I added my onions, and look at him helping me out of the kitchen.
There I'm crying.
I'm crying away. See tomatoes now, but it's a go away. I'm crying. Okay. So I am blending my vegetables.
So our jollof is almost ready. It will soon be out of the stove, yeah. And I'll be frying ripe plantain with it. So that is what is on fire right now. And I had some vegetables aside that is going together with the jollof rice. So everything is ready. So I'm all done. I'm coming to serve them. See my tired face. So I'm now coming to serve them. This is the rice. Because one never now okay.
Side thing.
When the moon do so. And I say my mother because of let's not continue.
On the same days, yeah.
What did you?
Yeah, my boss won't let it. I was here, but what happened?
Na we mo si enum krasa yan kola aduane. Oh, run is out ba. Oh. I just say we more ni more. Oso do munti aka. Okay.
The steps. What?
Myself.
Let me see. So, video the house
So I even forgot I was vlogging when the kids were eating. I didn't even remember to capture them. I was very tired, so yeah. So once we were done, these people scattered here and I asked them to clean the mess up. So big sister is
Who created the
done
mess?
and she's taking it to the kitchen.
The fuck. Big sister. She didn't sweep well. Not so boy. I pray gidi say. Fuck away. And I pay me a prep. Sorry.
Mommy, let's snap. When it me. Shishi. Mom said me and she back. Mom said me and she back.
And some of the end of when. Oh, Moko is that I can't do. Like I said, 200 crank nipediana.
So fam, thanks so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below at the comment section. See you again in the next video. Bye.